Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Toyota 4Runner SR5 4x4 with a clean title. Now V6 is running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. So it does have the fog lights up front, scoop in the hood, painted alloy wheels, the TRD Pro package. Tow package, black leather interior. See, it does have a 110 volt outlet back here. It does have a lift, so you see the clearance. These black leather seats, and then additional power supplies back here. And here's a shot of the VIN right here. You see that it's 1724 for the last 4 digits. So you have black leather with red stitching. There's the TRD branding right there. All right, and as you come down here, you'll see it has 105,408 miles on this vehicle. Then you got your cruise controls, your push to talk, your stereo controls right here, it's your volume. And then as you come over here, then you're gonna have your cruise control right there, your key fob. And then you've got your comfort controls, which I'm gonna turn this down a little bit more so you can hear me a little bit better. Then as you come over here, you've got your navigation, and then you can jump over to apps, and you have other apps that are dependent upon a connection as well, but you also have audio, of which your devices are AM and FM and Bluetooth. And sorry, we'll back right out of that. And then if you want to see the backup camera, we'll go ahead, and there's your backup camera. And somebody is actually needing that vehicle behind us. We're just going to pull forward. Okay, and so these are your maintenance as well. So you can set reminders and such, engine oil, brake pads, battery, tires and such. And then we have our home. And then as you keep coming down, you have your comfort controls that I mentioned earlier, and then you've got your USB and auxiliary ports, 12 volt power, 2 and 4 wheel drive right here, and then you've got your shifter, and you do have heated front seats, and there is your rear window controls, and then you got your other cup holder. So you have 2 cup holders up here, glove compartment that's lockable, and then as you come up here, you've got your traction control, and then of course you've got your map reading lights. So that about wraps it up for this Toyota on the interior. I did turn that off, so I wanted to make sure that the dome lights are back on. Okay, as I mentioned, this particular vehicle does have a clean title. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.